Welcome to the Taj Mahal, one of the most magnificent buildings in the world. I am your guide for today. May I know your names?
Hi, I am John.
And I am Sarah.
It's nice to meet you both. So, are you excited to explore the Taj Mahal today?
Yes, definitely. I have been looking forward to this visit for a long time.
Me too. I have heard so much about this place and I can't wait to see it with my own eyes.
Well, you're in for a treat. The Taj Mahal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it's known as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Let's begin the tour. The Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. The construction of the Taj Mahal took around 22 years and it was completed in 1653. It is made entirely of white marble and its unique architectural design is a combination of Indian, Persian and Islamic styles.
Wow, that's really impressive. The details on the exterior of the building are incredible.
It's so beautiful. I can't believe I'm actually seeing it in person.
The interior of the Taj Mahal is just as stunning. The intricate carvings and the semi-precious stones embedded in the marble are a testament to the exquisite craftsmanship of the artisans who worked on it. Indeed it is. Well, that concludes our tour of the Taj Mahal. I hope you both enjoyed it.
Absolutely. Thank you for showing us around and telling us about the history of this amazing place.
Yes, thank you so much. It's been an unforgettable experience.